Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what Japanese people eat. We'll explore the core components of their diet, which emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients. You'll discover how meals are typically structured around rice, fish, and a variety of vegetables, often prepared simply to highlight natural flavors. This approach contributes to a balanced and nutritious eating style that has been enjoyed for centuries. Japanese cuisine is renowned for its fresh seafood, especially in dishes like sushi and sashimi, which are enjoyed globally. Beyond raw fish, you'll find a rich variety of noodle dishes, including comforting bowls of ramen and thick udon. Vegetables are integral, appearing in many forms from pickled to stir-fried. Soy products like versatile tofu and savory soy sauce are fundamental to nearly every meal, adding depth and nutrition. A key aspect of the Japanese diet is its focus on health and balance. Meals typically feature smaller portions across multiple dishes, encouraging variety without overeating. There's a strong preference for fresh, seasonal ingredients, ensuring peak flavor and nutritional value. Cooking methods often involve steaming, grilling, or light simmering, which helps retain nutrients and keeps dishes light. This mindful approach contributes to overall well-being. Japan's diverse geography means that culinary traditions vary significantly from region to region. For example, Osaka is celebrated for its delicious street foods like takoyaki, savory octopus balls, and okonomiyaki, a hearty pancake. Each area offers unique flavors and dishes, making culinary exploration a true adventure. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Exploring these regional differences truly showcases the depth of Japanese food culture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.